Suzuki Jimny. We love our Jimny. But where are the fuse boxes? And why do we want to see? So the most common fuses you're going to blow are going to be your interior light. And we're going to do an interior light upgrade video. And your USB, because you plug some rubbish foreign made accessories in it. So we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to show you where the two fuse boxes are. And we're going to put a picture on the screen of the map of where all the fuses go. Right, which one should we do first, Lily? Engine one. So come down here, boom, open your bonnet. We'll do it all. Right, open that, ping. Right then, ooh, let me come around the front here. It was here somewhere, wasn't it? It's there, I got it. Lift up your little thing, get your little engine stay, bush, we're in. Right, here is your fuse box. These, it's got the two rear pins normally stay in place. That's more like the hinge. The way to get in is right next to the master cylinder here. You got to go reach down as far as you can and push in. I'll show you it, and then it all just comes apart. So that it's a little hook there. I don't know if you can see that. You got to push that down. It just releases that little hook there, and those two just hook over. So, and then in there's a map, and I've taken a picture of it with my phone. So I'll put that map there. And you can see, now this is mostly more engine related stuff, that one, hence is the engine fuse box. Right, okay, where's the other fuse box, the one that's going to be far more interesting for us? Actually, one thing to note is it does have a spare fuse, but only one. And the spare fuse is that yellow one there, and the yellow one's like 20 amp. So you think you're pooped, but don't worry, there are more spare fuses. So if you're broken down, bear with us. Right, now, this next fuse box, now if you're left-hand drive, why you'd want left-hand drive, I got no idea. But it's the same, but it's the opposite way around, obviously. And what we're going to do is we're going to go up under here. But I can't film it with our tricky gimbal camera. So I'll phone this on my iPhone and I'll show you what we've got up under here. But next time you join me, we will be up underneath here. Right, so we are now under the car in a most uncomfortable position. But you'll see this big green lid, right? Right, Nelly, could you... That's it, you're in there. Now what you need to do is put your finger between this blue bit and the green bit, press there, and you remove the lid. And that shows you all your fuses there. Now there should be a fuse puller in the middle here, and you can use that to sort of pull that out, and you can use it to pull the fuses out. But ours has been stolen. So you can see that's your fuse. Now on the lid of the fuse box, oh yeah, you've got the spare fuses there. So you can see you've got the spare fuses, and you've also got a map, and I'll put a picture of the fuses. Now the one we want to check is we want to see which one is the cigarette lighter, and I'll put an arrow to it now, and I'll show you how we test it. Right, we have tested. So the most common fuses you're going to blow, as we were just saying, one is going to be the cigar lighter, which is here, and that is this one all on its own here, this 15 amp all on its own, and I'll probably put the picture on the screen to make it a bit clearer. And then the other one you're likely to blow is the radio and this interior light, and that is the one, this blue one in the middle of this block of 3. So that 15 amp there in the middle, and again I'll put the picture on the screen, and I'll also do a little spreadsheet and I'll put a link to it where we'll put these pictures. I'll put the picture of that, the picture of that, and a schematic with all the functions of all the Suzuki Jimny fuses. There we go. Hope you've enjoyed that.